Watkono harado, welcome to Skatningwa de Wiasta Haja lesson 14. Today we'll be introducing you to possessives. Before we begin, Gayadio, can you explain what a possessive is?
A possessive is a word that marks the ownership of an object. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, its, and so on.
So let's start by asking the question, who does this belong to? Unka agoa.
Ago being the female possessive. We use female possessives when we don't know who we are referring to.
And to say this belongs to me, you'd say ii agoawa.
And then to negate, you would add the yah de. So yah ii de wagawa. It does not belong to me.
And to say this belongs to you, you would say ize zawa. Ize zawa.
And then to negate, again, you would add the yah de. So yah ize dezawa. It does not belong to you.
And to say this belongs to him, you would say ramharaoa.
And to negate, again, you would add the yah de, and you would say yah ramha dehowa. It does not belong to him.
And to say this belongs to her, you would say agamha agoa.
And to negate, once again, yah de, so yah agamha de yagowa. It does not belong to her.
So to say it belongs to it or someone you may not know, it meaning an animal or an object or a place, you would say amha aowa. Amha aowa.
And then to negate, once again, you add the yah de, and you would say yah amha de yowa. It does not belong to it. Thank you for watching. What's done to the wadatka? Onigi wahi.